Have you ever felt the urge to escape from a difficult situation? What if you had to leave everything behind just to find a place where you felt safe? This story is about Velu, a young boy who ran away from his home. He was tired of his father's violence and wanted to escape the harsh reality. Velu, an 11-year-old boy, ran away from home. He was desperate to get away from his abusive father. He hopped onto the Kanyakumari Express without a ticket. He felt exhausted and scared. The train finally reached Chennai Central Station. Velu found himself in a bustling city, surrounded by people rushing everywhere. He was feeling weak and alone. Jaya, a young ragpicker, saw Velu sitting alone and approached him. She offered to help and find him some food. Jaya took Velu through the busy streets, guiding him through the heavy traffic. He was overwhelmed by the sights and sounds of the city. Jaya warned Velu to avoid the police. Jaya led Velu to a nearby marriage hall where she found some discarded bananas and vada. She offered them to Velu, who was hesitant at first but accepted due to hunger. Velu was reluctant to eat the food from the garbage bin. Jaya reassured him that it was safe and shared a banana with him. Jaya took Velu to her home, a small slum house built from recycled materials. It was made with old tires, plastic sheets, and bricks. Jaya explained that she collects scrap materials and sells them to a scrapper. The scrapper then sells the materials to factories. Velu decided to help Jaya collect scrap materials for the time being. He hoped to find a different job soon. Velu received a sack from Jaya and began helping her gather scrap materials. They walked through the city's streets, collecting whatever they could find. Jaya explained the process: they collect the scrap, the scrapper buys it, and then the factories use it. Velu felt a sense of purpose working with Jaya, but he was determined to find a more permanent job and leave the life of a ragpicker behind. The city was filled with opportunity, but also danger and hardship. Velu knew he would have to be strong and resourceful to survive. Jaya was a good friend to him, but she could not offer him a permanent solution. Velu was determined to find a better life for himself. He knew he would have to work hard and face challenges, but he was determined to succeed. Velu's journey was just beginning. He had to learn to navigate the streets and challenges of a new city, but he had Jaya's support and a strong will to make a better life for himself. In summary, Velu's story highlights the struggles faced by children who escape difficult situations in search of a better life. With the help of Jaya, he learns to navigate the challenges of the city while remaining hopeful for a brighter future. Velu's determination to succeed and find stability is inspiring, showcasing the resilience of young hearts in tough times. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on Eduriv to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 8. Thank you.